White walls of your dressing room were stained with scarlet red. Bled upon the cold stone like a young man. In the foreign field of death. Oh, wouldn't it be wonderful, is all I heard you say. Never closed your eyes at night, learned to love daylight. Instead you moved away. My high-flying bird has flown from out my arms. I thought myself a keeper. She thought I meant her harm. She thought I was the archer, the weatherman of words. But I could never shoot down my high-flying bird.